Hey, welcome back to War Night. Computer's done. Just one more thing left to do. So Tiffany's gonna do the last thing that needs to be done to this computer. Go for it, Tiff. There you have it. The final peel. Alright, Tiff, turn it on. There we have it. The build is done. Starts up. I got Windows into it. And now we're gonna download some games so she can play. Okay. First computer's done. She's happy with it. She's in the process of downloading games from Steam right now. And it works great. I played a couple. It's gonna do the job. Now that that is all set, time to get working on my next computer. And what better way to start than right here. Ryzen 7 5800X. I was going to go with a Ryzen 5 3600, but this Ryzen 7 was on sale and I couldn't pass that up. So my first part for my computer is in. First computer done. First part for my computer right here. Can't wait to have mine all done, ready to rock and roll, because I want to stream off this computer. I want to get that going. I'll see you guys. Oh, wait a minute. Like I said, I can't see you. I hope you come back to see me in the next video.